Hey friends, welcome to my channel Helping Hands. Today I will tell you about the difference between class variable and instance variable and will also tell you about mathematical functions. So let's start. Now difference between class variable and instance variable. Class variable and instance variable. Now first point, it is preceded by the keyword static. And here it is not preceded by the keyword static. It means that when you have to create class variable, you should compulsory write static. Then here second point, it is shared by all the objects of the class. So any change in the value of one object is reflected back to all the objects of the class. Now here second point, each object of the class has its own copy of instance variable. So any change in the value of one object is not reflected back to other objects of the class. Now the third point, example. Suppose I have taken a class and the class name is ABC. You can give any name, and if I declare a static variable, if I declare a class variable, then here it is must to write a static. Class variable and the class is closed. So it is also known as a comment. You can watch my previous video on comments which I have made. And here the third example, class here only we have to write int a only, no need of writing static because it is a instance variable. Here as you can see, I have written that it is preceded by keyword static. So here I have written static, and here it is not preceded, so I have not written here static. Now mathematical functions. They are found inside java.lang package. As a normal programming is found in java.io package, but the mathematical function is found in java.lang package. Now the first function, math.min. This functions returns the minimum value of the two values, which is also known as arguments in Java, passed. Its return type depends upon the type of arguments passed. If you want to know what is the return type or what is the type, it is known as data type. You can watch my previous video which I have made on data type. In that I will tell you about all the data types like primitive and non-primitive. And then one example, int a. Here I have taken a initialized and taken a variable because it will return a value. As here it is written, this function returns a minimum value. So to store the value, I have taken a variable a. Math.min 5, 2 semicolon. So when I give this example, then 5 value goes to a and 2 value goes to b, and after manipulating the data it will give the answer as 2 because the minimum of 5 and 2 is 2. Then second one, math.max a comma b. This functions returns the maximum value of the two values or arguments passed. Its return type depends upon the type of argument passed. Now example, here I am also taking int a is equal to math.max 5 comma 2. Now a value will take 5 and b will take 2, and this function returns the maximum value, so the maximum between 5 and 2 will be 5. So here our answer will be 5, and here it is also written that its return type depends upon the type of argument passed. Suppose here if I would take 5.0 and here 2.0, then the answer would come 5.0, and here I should have also taken double a, not int a. In the next video, I will tell you about remaining mathematical functions. So if you liked my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.